There are many multi-tool products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best multi-tools from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Fissa Multitool. Rating 4.4. With its compact size and lightweight of only 0.59 pounds, this pocket multi-tool is your perfect everyday carry companion. It comes with a high-quality nylon sheath for mounting on a belt or backpack strap. Crafted from ultra-durable stainless steel, this survival multi-tool excels in longevity and corrosion resistance. With high-strength stainless steel for outstanding durability, these multi-tools offer comfortable use and a visually striking appearance. Whether indoors or outdoors, Fissa Multitools are reliable work partners. They are perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, picnics, and DIY projects. It's easy to carry and save space. Say goodbye to the hassle of searching for various tools and hello to convenience. Number 4. Rover Multitool. Rating 4.5. Features pliers, knife, scissors, saw, 9-pack screwdriver bits, wire cutter, corkscrew, bottle opener, ruler, and it comes with a durable nylon pouch. Built with premium stainless steel with black oxidation, this multi-tool knife is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. It can also withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. Great for camping, hiking, hunting, DIY, EDC, and simple repairs. Perfect addition to camping essentials, toolbox, glovebox, workwear, and fishing and hiking gear. Perfect gifts for men, women, dads, husbands, sons, boyfriends for Christmas, birthday, and Father's Day. It makes a special gift for teenage boys and scouts as well. Number 3. Gerber Gear Multitool. Rating 4.6. The Gerber Suspension NXT15 in 1 EDC multi-tool features needle nose pliers, wire stripper, small/medium/large flathead drivers, 2 cross drivers, awl, nail file, scissors, tool lock, can opener, bottle opener, 2.25-inch partially serrated blade, lanyard point, and pocket clip, perfect for camping gear and survival kits. Made from durable stainless steel to withstand tough conditions, this EDC pocket knife multi-tool is designed for convenience with a butterfly opening and locking feature to protect the tools when not in use. NXT multi-tool is perfect for hunters, tradesmen, and everyday carry. An excellent addition to your camping essentials, toolbox, workwear, and fishing and hiking gear. Number 2. MASI OK Multitool. Rating 4.6. The whole multi-tool is constructed of ultra-durable stainless steel, which effectively prevents corrosion and guarantees long-term durability. It has an advanced 3D hollow structure and smooth surface and edge, which makes it comfortable to use. The remarkable self-locking structure applied to all tools in the handles makes you open and close the tools more quickly. You just need to press the lock and then fold it to keep the accessories in place. The multi-tool includes needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, a magnetic hexagon sleeve, a screwdriver, a knife, a scale, a metal/wood file, a serrated knife, a bottle opener and slotted screwdriver, a wood saw, a leather punch, an 8-in 1-bit set, and more. Number 1. Leatherman Multitool. Rating 4.8. For the last 40 years, Leatherman has been empowering millions to conquer the expected and unexpected, transforming everyday challenges into triumphant moments. From our Portland, Oregon factory and backed by our 25-year warranty, our multi-tools are built to last a lifetime, embodying the innovation and perseverance of our founder, Tim Leatherman. From household fixes and DIY pursuits to gardening and exploring the outdoors, Wave Plus helps you do it all. Weighing just 8.5 ounces, this pocket-sized tool is perfect for everyday carry. This multi-tool empowers you to DIY like a pro, includes tools like a saw, easy-to-use spring-action scissors, a ruler, and more to help you conquer any DIY project, big or small. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.